Okay, here we go. This is the Android setup for Appium. This is to run it locally, and this is all in the Ready QA Git repository. So the way this is going to essentially work is I just have Android Studio open right now, and I have a simulator, which is a Pixel 6 with, I guess it's version 32, not version 32. Anyways, so I'll just run the simulator here locally. And then once this is up and running, I just open that. Then I come back to IntelliJ. I have a project in IntelliJ for my Android, which is where all the Appium Java tests are at. So go ahead and open that. And then the final piece is the Appium server. So this is the Appium server. I run it from the GUI. You can run this from a terminal as well. So I'll open this. And here's my Appium server. Let me show you the edit configurations because it is a little different for Android. So for this, you'll want to have your Android home and then your Java home as well. And then I'll just go ahead and start this server. And that can run in the background. And then in the Android project, there is a folder, or excuse me, a file called androidbase.java. And what you'll need to do is uncomment this out or comment it out based on the AWS build. I just made an AWS video before this one. Before you do the target build, you need to comment that out. Otherwise, the test will always fail. So here it is. This is basically it. If you need, so once I go ahead and click play on this, then this will just fire up and it'll install the app and it'll start running the tests on the simulator. All right, yeah, it just takes a minute the first time it runs to get up. And that's pretty much it. It'll just start firing through these tests. Kind of the way this is, there's this file called smoke XML, and this will run 2 tests. It'll register a new user and then take the chapter test. And again, here is the base file, and then the register new user test, as well as the navigate the chapter test. So that's how it's done. And there is also a video on debugging and finding and inspecting elements, a separate video if you need to do that. It's for iOS, but the exact same principles apply for Android.